Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Mark here, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing of an item. What is this item? And if you see the name, you already know what it is. So with that, let's open it up and see what's inside. Like now. Alrighty, here it is. Nothing special here and there. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Admire it, folks. Admire it. Yeah, it's kind of difficult. And it is a 42mm, baby. That's what it is, with a Jubilee. Look at it, folks. Does this look familiar to you, folks? So yeah, folks. Alrighty. So this indeed came out at the time of around April 21st, one day after Thanksgiving. I mean, after Easter, and if you've seen my previous video on the other Islander, you can tell that shape. They wrapped it up pretty tightly. As if I want to wear this. And yes, it's got the famous Islander logo right over here. And let's do a comparison. And this was, of course, released a year after the discontinuation of the SKX. As you can see, bigger than its counterpart predecessor. Definitely chunkiness feel. Thick-wise, yep. Here, maybe this will do much better justice. Hold on a second. See the comparison? And I'll leave you some videos for this one. I'm gonna leave mine's wrapped up tight. And yeah, you can adjust holes, and you got your spring load. Well, no, this is a wall-to-wall cool watch. You know, shame on Seiko for like getting rid of the SKX. People were like shocked, devastated, and among a whole slew of things. Let's hear bezel a little bit. All right, here it is, and let's see the comparison with each other since it was taped. Little thickness with each other, but all in all, this is a very fine timepiece. But it's chunky than this one. So yeah. Here you go. Got one hand here. And let's hear some bezel action. Whoa. Definitely an awesome bezel action. But here it is on the view. That was a sound. So it was like a safe crack to me. But I don't have a safe. Or maybe I do. Who knows? So yeah, it has like a Pepsi color vibe, similar to the predecessor. One more view of comparison. Heck. Okay, starting from here to up to about 20. Yeah, it's like Islander matched its predecessor counterpart, and they did a terrific job. Shouts to you guys. Shouts to Islander. Shouts to you, Mark. You're the man. Thank you. And of course, he obviously must have gotten parts of the SKXs and put his own touch to it. Gotta say, thank you, man. I've been dying to get my paws on one of these for some time, but I was planning to get the. I didn't even know much about the SKX, so I started seeing more videos thanks to Random Rob, Bruce Williams, and bummer enough, I was like disappointed and shocked that the SKX went bye-bye, discontinued. It was very pissed off amongst the collectors community and the watch collecting community and such. But yeah, even of course, if you saw the box, let me get my trusty pointer to help me point. Right here, that's the Islander logo. That's right, Islander logo, and the bezel is amazing, and you can't forget about that. Thank God Islander's doing its own brand, but thanking the Seiko. And you got your holes. I can't tell these are like the K model, the letter K, because due to the fact that back in the early days of the Rolex eras in the late 80s or the 90s or whatever era, they had holes. They had holes here that you can replace the straps. I mean, your bracelets, you could put straps on, NATOs. And nowadays, you don't get that. You didn't get it. You certainly didn't get it with the SKXs. No holes. You had to do it yourself by not bending this. You need a tool to take the springs out. That's what I'm careful with. And of course, Random Rob as well. And you can see the back. And that's the home of Long Island, if I'm assuming. You saw previous videos of how I showed you the back. Good Jubilees. Amazing, amazing, amazing. No logo on the clasp. Oh well. Beggars can't be choosers, and you can't always get what you want. So anyways, y'all, enough chit-chat. Let's play a song from 2020. Even though it was a dumpster fire year, but it's been a good year for the watch collecting community, including for Seiko fans and Islander brands, micro brands. You can call this an homage, however you like it, but it's still a cool brand, Islander. So yeah. And with that, let's play a song from 2020, like right now. And also this watch model, the ISL 49, was released at the time of April 21st, one day after Easter, and then one day, 2 days before my 30th birthday. No, actually my 29th birthday that year. So yeah, the ISL 49, April 21st, 2020, 2 days before my 29th birthday, and it's at 43 millimeters. The strap lock, I'm gonna have to not guess, so it'll be written in the description box down below. So yeah, amazing. One more review before we start playing. Alrighty, y'all, it's music time. Like right now. Let's go. And also, I ordered this on the day of my birthday, and I had a coupon with it, and there was a coupon sent to my email, and I used it, and I purchased this on my birthday, and it took some time to bring it until a week later it came. Wow, and it's here. Alrighty, y'all. So we're playing a song from 2020 from an artist named J Archer with the hit song Dare 420 Massacre from the album, which is from a movie called 420 Massacre, which came out in 2020 thanks to my pal Kursky Films. Shouts to you, Mr. Shouts to you, Kursky Films. And it's a motion picture soundtrack, and it's hip hop rap. And let's play it like now. That was Dare 420 Massacre by J Archer from the album film 420 Massacre. So, folks, what do you think of the watch, and what do you think of the music? And not the year, because we all know what happened during that time. So let's not think about it at all, or some other things. But what do you think of the watch? What do you think of the music? Also, if you like content like this or other content, please click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified of our new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Having an opinion related to the contents, comments down below. Plus, I'm in the YouTube post. I'm often posting what time I'm posting videos at a certain time. Rather be early morning to make sure everyone's seeing it before the video starts happening at a certain time. Rather be afternoon or the early evening hours, or the just normally afternoon or the evening hours, but not late evening. No way, Jose. And also I'm leaving like links for either charities and also pre-orders from either Kickstarter, Indiegogo, or anything that's coming out from certain boutique label companies. And also, let's give a shout out to that thing of ours, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, autograph collectors, convention goers, prop collectors, and all you collectors out there. Shout outs to you all. And also, let's give a shout out to my subscribers. You know who you all are. Shout outs to you, y'all. And also, what else? Well, that's all for the time being, folks. So, keep an eye on other things to come. So, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Hear you. And see you on the next vid. Enjoy Tuesday, y'all. And later. Oh, and one more shout out. Shout outs to Mark at Long Island Watch. You the man, dude. Alright, later.